He's a lovely... Oh, are you sneezing? Are you sneezing, boy? He's had his rabies injection. Look at... He looks like a fennec, doesn't he? Look at these ears, how big they are. Ah, are you hungry? You've just had some food. Let me... Are you hungry, boy? Are you hungry, my boy? Huh? Do you want some foodie? Huh? Do you want some foodie? Okay, let's see if he wants foodie. Hang on, I'm gonna get the food from the fridge. Yeah, you see it's not fresh. If it's not fresh, he's not gonna eat it. So let me put the camera here. Oh, hang on. Okay. I'll take the camera with me. What I need to do is I need to get some... so we give him well-fed. This is the food that we give him. We've got more cats here. This is Pandora. This is Adonis. This is Jasmine. We've got 50 cats in our house, which is absolute lunacy. It's a lot of work. Financially, it's a real burden.